Sweet pea, apple of my eye. Don't know when and I don't know why. You're the only reason I keep on coming home.
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't. Someone's waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I wanna give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes,
Wala dito diferensya diya.
dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, and listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Stay beautiful inside and out. Happy birthday.
Yes, thank you.
Love ito kay kanina ng bisag. Dili kita magkita yun always. Narami good. Di ba ito kay layo ka ng stop na at mura. If kailangan mo coke. Ay, chat lang. Pati pwede pa mo alala na ako. Vulgar ha? So yeah. Okay to me if malakan mo wala mo yung witri at budget na. Ayun ya. Oro to na taas pa man mi. Happy birthday ma. Thank you.
First good kay salamat kis kaon. Makuha na nga, mahinuman nga, tignan niyo, mag-usa-usa na sa balik mo ang tutong sayaw, sa kahigay itong mga lawas. Happy birthday!
Thank you. May kalinga, like, mauni siya yung iyan mo. May happy birthday. So,
Next!
So the years we shared while growing up are like treasures to me. I can remember every moment of laughter. Happy birthday, my dear auntie.
Today's special day, bring you endless joy and tons of precious memories. Yeah. We'll continue to improve as a person with each passing year. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Pagbisaya na lang.
Happy birthday, ate. Kanang wala ko bitodyo ko kay Lali mo ba? I wish you good health niya. Kanang ang tawag, thankful ka ning yung family kay iba kung nindot siya kay ning family ni Wala.
Natouch ka mo din.
Yes.
happy birthday, Amay. Nanakasaya ka stage.
Always ka pagkabubukan as a girl, as a daughter. Wish you all the best. Kumusta yung dream. Wish you na kamakamo.
Yay!
Pero nakabantay ko yung mga buutan dito mga pagkabata. Wish na lang ko nimo ang all the best for the rest of your life.
Minupusal bibida ka kay nag-talent.
Bago kaya gagawin sa iyong future, kuman ka sa iyong pag-eskwela. So, maura na mo ang gift sa iyong mga parents kasi nagkapon para sa inyo. Kaya maura mag yun ay kalipay ng ginikahan.
Kung ko laing memories na ma-share ng amay, ako imong driver sa elementary pa ka. May pa nga bata pa kayo sa motor. Ang napasukan. Around grade 12 na. Then, dagan ang nasulting ko pan. Ako lang dugangan. Study well, I study hard. Well, not hard. Okay, study hard lisod tayo. Salamat sa Inasal. Happy birthday!
Amo nito ni Sheena. Thank you sa friendship since elementary. My God. Ipalit din ako sa asala. Patabang ko nila kung kung sa'yo ganahan niya. Kay vlogger na sa ako niya. Ipalit. I hope you like this. Thank you.
For each other, you weren't just friends, you were a sister to our heart. Another chapter of our life unfolds. Our school may be hundreds of meters apart, but still the strings in our hearts remain unbroken. Distance is never a hindrance to our friendship, and I'm happy and thankful for that. I may not always be by your side, we may not communicate every single day, but I'm still glad because of perspective about what other than Happy na ka lang? Happy na ka? Happy na siya.
May God bless you and your family, and God will shower you more blessings, and stay positive and
Happy birthday!
You only deserve the best things in life. May you bless with a outpouring love and exciting new opportunities in life. May all your dreams and wishes come true. For this birthday, it may brings everything and your heart desires. So it may be full of beautiful surprises and amazing discoveries as what you will go through in life. So wish you more happiness, Amay, and success in life. Happy birthday.
you're so precious for me. I want everything the best for you. With you dahil. Ako na lang yung i-wish me na ako. I want everything the best for you. Happy birthday, Jai. Another from
Nahanap ako si mo wish, Day.
Sige.
Si mo wish, Day.
Dali! Sa aking wish day, ako na ang muna eh. Ako lang yung sunod.
Ihungog na lang niya, teacher.
Happy na si Ate Amay yung wish. O, mawala yung mga private something.
Wala daw yung kuan. Katul-katul. Trivia. Iyan na dyan na kayo. Matiputan na siya. Before pa ka. Happy birthday, Amay. Ako na isang sa Mr. May kapon siguro na 18 para naman
20 na, 20.
30. No, wag ginagingon.
Dati sa uma.
Video sa ako ang cellphone nga, front up, back.
Naka-face lang.
Face lang.
Yung open na yan.
Kaya daw tinagnaw. Sister, yun sila. Bilas ko! Birthday lang lang
After pila ka years, dahil graduate. Pag-graduation na nagkita. Yes! Welcome to my video sa YouTube. Welcome.
Worship ka sa 3.
Tama na. Yes! Nakita ito ng video. Alam mo! Wala, subscribe ko. Bye! Tabuni! Tabuni! Dayon, ano? Ikaw tabuni! Sige kayo! Yeah! How's the
Yay!
birthday?
Happy birthday lang ga.
Dagan ka gift, Mai.
Yes.
Happy ka, Mai.
Happy ka lang ga?
Kaayo.
Wow!
Kuya, kayo mong grand entrance nung.
Kaayo, dagan na kayong mga cellphone. Thank you.
Thank you, Cindy.
Wow, oh my gosh, yung ang makinang. Ang budla ko, tingnan mo.
Wow! Happy, happy! Kita na,
Oh my gosh, oh. Hindi mo man di puro mo.
Wow!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Wow! Ako na. Wow! Nice on na. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, thank you!
Wow.
Sa dati thank you! Oh my gosh! Jalapdan! Wow, ganahan po. Ano?
Wow, no?
Wow!
Nice kay color.
Yan na daw, pigmented ba?
Ay, ayaw na kami. Gawin ka mo. Wala ka, suy, ani, ay.
Thank you so much, Inday!
Sino ka man?
How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you.
사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다 볼만한 멜로드라마 괜찮은 결말 그거면 됐다 널 사랑했다 우리가 만든 love scene. I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said I love you till the day that I die. Well, maybe she's right.
Sundang emoji, V. Sunda tong
Like
usa.
a guard.
Ah, like a guard. Katong usa, V. Katong usa
And
kato.
this one,
Sunda na.
funny face.
Ah, ang asa, ang asa.
This one is naibog.
Naibog. Kato usa.
This one
Ikaw.
is
Taro nga, tanaw.
funny face. Funny siya talaga. Oh yeah, funny face. This is like this. Singot.
Huh?
Makapoy
Hindi
ka.
ka pa.
Tyrion. This is glasses. Okay. Halloween and content. Glasses.
What is that? How do you read that?
Halloween. Content.
Yes.
Then this one, heart one.
Mm.
Sunglasses again. Sunglasses again. Heart one. Heart one. Glasses is okay. This is small. They have bigger baby.
Ato ba yung ring?
Mama. This is Liga. Liga. This is Mama Crowley. This is baby Crowley. Liga. Liga. Liga.
Big crown mong duha, bi. Dali.
Dako kayo.
Gi crown. Gi baylo, baylo. Gi waki. Smile. Tawa. Model. Yes. Dermy og Deren. Nga smile. Ah. Deren, unsa mo posing si Dermy? Unsa ya posing? Ah. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Subscribe.
Subscribe our channel, right? Number is 6. You put here whatever you want to say.
What? Unsa man ni? You read this one.
I don't know to
Show them.
read. But I don't know to read much. Sila lang mag-read eh. Bala na eh. Wish. Ikaw ba mo read, Day?
Unsa?
Wishes. Ikaw ba mo, Day? Ikaw ka ba mo read, Day?
Hindi pa ko mo read dai. Big na ka dai.
Slay sa Colgate. This one is only.
You read that one.
I don't know to read what this is to say. I did the other one, but I want to read this all time. But use what because you're my ball. Okay, done. That's done. I don't know to read, but I read. Practice reading. Mound.
What? What dai?
Mana taani day?
What's
Mana
that dai?
taani day? Taani day.
What else dai?
What else? Napasuwat ko.
You put it back ha because it's important.
Okay, I put not
We'll keep this. Where did you get this? You put that. Oh.
I just put there.
Mm.
Just need a little more. Let's go read that one.
What are you
Over
doing?
Writing a sad for Abby on my birthday. Abby, I might just get an ice cream. Remember?
Ah, yeah.
She's opened this gift here, but okay, I have a first one. Questions. Okay, this is so long, but I don't know to read.
That's too short, Ramangani. That's only one word.
Again, papalimutan wish nila ko.
Wish. Ito sa wishes. Where's here?
This is wishes.
Yes.
No.
Where's the other bottle?
No, that's not a wishes. That.
Here's the wishes, oh.
Oh, okay. This is the wishes,
Mm.
and this is the.
Where's what is kuan
This
dai?
is
The
the
other bottle.
wishes. This is wishes.
Show them the bottle.
Okay, I have more bottles here, but I want to.
Another bottle. Show them.
Okay, show them. This is my another.
What else?
I want to first to like hold it. Now, give me a white. There's always pink. This is so long. I cannot read. Done. Try. Okay, now I need another one. I need white. Oh my. I need this one. I need white. Oh, I have all of them. Okay, this is Darren. I don't know Darren in. I don't know Darren, but this is Darren wishes. This is wishes. It's wishes. Wishes. I don't know how to read, but it's pinakatay dying. Print.
What no?
Print siya.
as you look